cold today, isn't it, Joester? Isn't it cold? Isn't it cold? No sun in Auckland today, and it's very chilly. It's 13 degrees, which some of you, I guess, don't think is that cold. 13 Celsius. But it's pretty cold here, especially when there's no sun. If there's sun, it's only 13 in the shade. Well, that's fine, because when you stand in the sun, it feels quite nice. But today, one of those days where we're just not going to get any sun, I don't think. It's just cloud. So it's going to be a bit chilly. What's up with your beak, mate? What have we got going on there? Hang on, Joester. Yeah. Just trying to have a look at the sparrow's beak. Didn't hit again, mate. What's up with your eye? You're just having a little bit of a sleep? Beak looks strange. What have you been up to? You're opening that eye more than the other eye. I have to just have a wee look at this guy. Yeah. What's happened to the sparrow, Joester? I have to catch him up and just see what's going on there. Is he flying around alright, Joey? You wanted to be in the shot, did you, Joey? You knew I was videoing the sparrow, so you went over to him. How about you just go over and give him a little nudge and see if he's flying alright. Oop, he just flew in. Yeah, it seems to be flying okay. You nearly crashed into me then. Yeah. Thought you hit my leg. You when you hit my leg. You're getting jealous, Joey. You're getting jealous. Yeah. Yeah. You still haven't taken that thing out, Joey. You haven't told me to take that thing out. How are you guys liking your new branch? Fry's sitting on it, you must like it. Yeah, everybody's sitting on it. It's good. Haven't pulled off too many leaves by the looks. It's good. Oof. Thanks for that, Poopy. Hit me in the face with your wing. You're all a bit clumsy today. You pretty bird. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. That's Charlie on the right, Fry on the left. Fry here was one of the first in the pair of cockatiels we got. It was almost a quiet patch then, guys. Are you eating my jacket? Wait. Got a cockatiel on each shoulder. Joey's on my right shoulder, Poopy's on my left shoulder. Oops. Eating my shirt. quiet teal day today. Now I've got a fry on my head. Poopy on my left shoulder, fry on my head, Joey on my right shoulder. Where are you going to sit, Charlie? You're going to sit. He's a big handsome boy. You going to come and try and find a spot? Oh, Poopy and Joey are gone. There's somebody in that nest box, Joey. Is there a turkey in there? What are you doing on my head, Fry? What are you doing? You're eating my beanie. Sorry, I'm just doing a bit of a health check on camera. Try and give these guys a good look over as much as I can. When I come in each day, I do a quick head count. First thing I do when I walk in usually. Check everybody's still around. The teals usually make themselves known pretty early on and usually pretty fit and healthy. You got a dirty tail. Sit on your tail. Maybe he's got the ankle around again. This Joey was acting slightly odd there, so I'm just checking he's alright in this area. Seeing as there's a bit of poo there. Doesn't look too bad around the cloaca area. Just keep an eye on that in the next few days. Okay, Charlie? What happened to that sparrow? Oh. Bite me on the neck. Who's that on my back? The booby. Booby. Yeah, so I do a quick head count. It's a lot harder to tell at this time of the year if anybody is a bit iffy in this sort of temperatures because a lot of the birds don't want to move. They're just sitting still. So yeah, the main thing I look for is just behavioural differences, whether the birds are looking a bit glum, whether they're sitting on the ground instead of on perches, whether they're all puffed up. Like Charlie seems to be a bit puffed up and he seems to be going at his bottom area. So you may have a little issue there. Once I've stopped filming now, I'll see if I can have a closer look at him. Anyway, so I suppose that's about it for this week. That was a quick 10 minutes, flew by, didn't it, Joester? Barely got to talk about anything. Yeah. I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry, everybody. Right. Think you gonna say goodbye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey. 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 Settle down, you two.